guys, welcome to my channel Sillage. Who doesn't want glowing pink lips? Most of the girls love wearing lip colors and gloss, but you can't get that perfect pout unless you take good care of your lips. For that, understanding the difference between lip and skin is important. The skin on our lips is much thinner and prone to cracks and chaps. Lip problems, including cracks and chaps, are caused due to environment, but cause of some are in your hands too. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about a simple 3-step lip care routine and some basic tips at the end of the video. First step of the lip care routine is to exfoliate your lips, and for that you can use Seer Secret's lip scrub. It is sugar based and gently buffs away flaky and dry skin, giving you healthier looking lips. It also has hydrating conditioners which keeps lips soft even in dry climates. Main ingredients are raw cane sugar, rambutan, licorice extract and date extracts. Price of this lip scrub is Rs 225 only. The second step has a mask for your lips. You have to do this step only twice a week. Other days you can skip this step. This Dot & Key lip mask is made with vitamin C and antioxidants which moisturize your lips. It is formulated with shea butter and manuka honey which provide intense moisturization. It contains lingonberry, turmeric oil, almond and castor oil which works wonder for your lips. Just apply at night, leave on and wake up to smoother lips. A thin layer of it can also be used as a lip balm in daytime too. Price of this lip mask is Rs 375 only. Last step is to moisturize your lips with a good lip balm. In my last video, I shared some myths and I busted the myth that lips do not sunburn. Lips do sunburn, so using a good lip balm with SPF protection is necessary. You can try Plum Candy Melt's vegan lip balm. It has carrot seed oil which protects your lips against UV rays. It also has cocoa butter and plant-based flavors which give delicious natural flavors. Price of this lip balm is Rs 250. Other than a good lip care routine, you should also keep in mind that you are not dehydrated and you should avoid touching or licking your lips. All this will definitely help you get soft, supple and healthy lips. You can buy all the shown products from the link in description. That's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Pinterest with the link in description. Thanks for watching.